So you've been on property 24. You see a couple of deals and you save them on property 24 because of that like thing. And even sometimes you actually take a screenshot and then you send them to your partner who's sleeping because now it's 11 o'clock in the evening, and you got a WhatsApp group going and you're like, babe, look at this. And then you wake up. By the next morning, whoop, it is gone. Or somebody have already put in an offer to purchase and you don't even know if the numbers actually made sense on the property that you were saying, babe, let me see. Well, my good friend, that's not bad luck. You might be thinking, oh, I might need to go to Durban and get this water from the sea. No. The reality is that it's just how the game is rigged. In any situation, anything that you want to do, there is a system. They always say, I know the system is against us. Right. In this case, the system is against you. It's against people who don't have the right information. You don't have the right information. You don't have the right information at the right time. And you don't have the right network. But I keep on inviting you, come here, tune in so that we can be talking about these deals. But don't worry. Today, my good friends, I am going to show you a real deal that we found, and I'm going to explain to you exactly why some people would never even found this deal or would find type of deals like this. But I'm going to drop in a little bit on how you can be able to find them. Does that make sense? Okay, good job. If we are meeting for the first time, my name is TJ, your host, and I'm a former banker and founder here at the TJ Tribe. And I do business with a focus in student accommodation, flips, which is buy and sell, and coaching, with the hope that all of us, as young, upcoming modern parents, we can be able to have passive income from real estate. Welcome to the channel. So, the property, we're going to call this one Project Graceland. Project Graceland, my good friend, you might be wondering, Project Graceland, what is that all about? Here, we give names to everything. Like in the Bible, God gave names to everything, and He asked Adam to give names to stuff. We name everything right here, okay? So here we go with Project Graceland. It is a 2-bed, 1-bath, 50 squares, yep. It's in a nice complex, family friendly. I've been there myself because I couldn't believe it when I saw the numbers. And I want to say that it's in a friendly environment because there's just above 200 units within that complex. Security, it's tight as you come in and all of those things. But here is the good thing. The good thing about this deal. I had to put on my TJ Tribe hat on this one. The purchase price is sitting at a whooping 270,000. My good friends, before you even say anything, yes, the number is real. I want you to write it down. 270,000 for a 2-bed. 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 2-bed 1-bath. Where do you get that? Right here. In the TJ Tribe. Right here. So, whilst I'm going along, I'm like, hey TJ, where can we find properties like this? Yeah, I'm showing it to you. But anyway, let's go on, right? 2-bed, 1-bath, 270,000, right? Now, we've got certain reports that we connect into, like Lightstone, Winded. There's plenty of them, property 24. And the valuation sitting on this property is sitting at 560,000 rand. But wait, we know it's a little bit run down. I'm going to show you a couple of pictures. So we know today it's not worth that, but we know that because of its valuation, that's the price. So for that reason, how can we put it into its former glory? How much money do we need? But today we're buying it at 270, and my good friends, if you calculate the numbers, that's just below 300,000 equity. That you're getting day one, before we even do a single thing on this property. We've got a renovation budget on this project for around about 50,000. We think that we can restore everything that is needed in that property, cleaning it up, making it presentable, putting it into its former glory. Then you can decide, should I flip this or should I hold it? Or, I don't know. I want to say to you, on a deal like this one, because it's so small, the projects could be easily be done like over the weekend. Whoever who's buying it, we're going to follow them. We're going to follow what they're going to be doing, cleaning it up and things like that. If they sell, fine, we're going to sell with them. And we'll make sure that, hopefully they can get to the numbers that they want you to get. But this deal is available. This deal. Now, if you're buying cash, I think all in will be around about 300 and, not I think, we've run the numbers, all in will be around about 336. And that's the purchase plus the transfer plus the reno. And we've got a targeted sale of 450, which is slightly below the market, so that it can move out fast, right? There's a whooping profit here, my good friend, of 64% cash on cash. Particularly if you had to use the bond, a bond in buying it, so that you've got less money. You can probably have around about 90,000 in the deal of your own money, right? But I want to say to you, this is a 2-bed, 1 bath that is available right now. And if you're one of those people that are saying, hey TJ, I want in, yes, you can get this kind of a deal. But where are you going to get it? On our website, platform, investinsaproperty.co.za. Simple. Hey my friends, I apologize that I had to break this conversation, but I just wanted to bring you in this conversation of property management. This can become such a hassle. If you've got more than one tenant and they're in different places, this can really become a stress, because all you're now needing to do is to manage tenant issues, maintenance calls, late payments sometimes, and endless paperwork. So my good friends, I have been deploying all my properties to a company that is called Productive Realty. They are out in Boksburg, and all they do is manage properties, particularly for early investors, particularly for seasoned investors, actually for all investors. And they do this because they themselves, they are also investors in properties. They understand the game of investing and managing. The money is not made in buying properties. I always say to people, the money is made in the management of the actual property, because that's a lifelong, you need to be able to pay all the things that you need to pay for. So the company Productive Realty, my good friends, and Leroy Slava, he has a big team there, and they manage their portfolio, and they can also manage your portfolio. So if you're in and around Johannesburg, particularly in the east, they are readily available to actually just be able to jump on board and take over your properties wherever it is right now. They will do placements for you. All of these things that we spoke about, the tenant issues, all of that will be gone, because Productive Realty will be able to manage that for you. So my good friends, all you need to do is drop us an email. You can see where it is here, and the team at Productive Realty will be able to take all of your hassles away from your tenants, and you can be able to have peace of mind, sleep, hassle-free investments whilst they are managing all your tenants for you. So what are you waiting for? Be like me and jump on to Productive Realty. Let the guys help you out. Now let me show you why these kind of deals are difficult to find. But I'm like saying this with plenty of love, right? It's difficult to find, and why many people can't find themselves. And this is out of, my statement is out of love. It's not like to say, you know, I'm the coolest kid, I get nice deals. No, it's not that. It's to say that there is something that I potentially have that you don't have. And I'm going to show you that. Now, this property, it went on to auction. How do I know? Because the data told me. I got some inside information that you don't have. Right? It was a private sale that went into auction. The bank was involved. And for some reason, it came back. And the bank now owned it. That's information that lives in the government database that most people, you don't know about, or you have no access, or you can't even open it. You don't know where to get these reports, but I know how to get them. I know how to do it, right? Now, when I go on onto this property, I didn't just see a property. I looked at, okay, fine, how many units are in here? 260. Okay, how many of them have transferred? What's the transfer history within the property? I saw, okay, around about 420 to around about 500. Oh, okay, all right. There's also a building next door. Average price within that building is 500,000. Okay, all right. So realistically, how much can I sell my property? So we do all these analysis in the background. Why? I've got time. I've got tools to do that. I've built that over the years. So I can sell this deal, yes, for 450. Okay, but the deal I bought it for 270. So is it making sense for me to buy this property? Bingo, I can make that decision in less than 2 minutes. For you, you are still sending the messages to the missus and you still need to calculate, and then you trying to figure out the information and the deal, it is gone. But don't worry, that's why the TJ tribe is here. So I want to say that finding the deal is maybe around about 20% of the job, like 20%. So what's the other 80%? Verifying the scheme's health. That's number one. Checking the history, the levy histories, transfer history, understanding the title deed information, the sectional title, what's been the transfers that has happened, what's been the going rates between freeholds and sectional title in the area, right? But then one of my winning recipe, I'm bringing you in now into the TJ Tribe secret sources, how we win some of these things. Knowing which attorney work fast on report deals. Whoa, not every attorney is the same. And then obviously on top of it, how do you structure it? How do you structure it so that the bank can say, yes, I said that there's a bank report, so the bank owns it, right? My good friends, that's years of experience. Or you can start to build it, obviously. And also that's years of building relationship with people who have already done this kind of work. Now, if you don't know how to do these things, what you can do, obviously, is you can literally start to getting closer to people like that. And my good friends, that's why the Invest in the SA platform exists. For you to jump on board, avoid all of these things, and you get curated deals coming through to you. Every Wednesday, I call it Wednesday Deal Day. We put a deal like this one in front of you, of the entire community, real properties, real numbers, proper data that's coming out, backed with reports here in South Africa. All in. The price that you're seeing here, 270, is what you're going to buy. No surprises, no final prints, no hidden fees somewhere. So the deals, I want to emphasize this. It goes to people that are registered at our platform, which is investinsaproperty.coza. And it's very simple. It's like a 2-minute thing to do. You register, you get verified. Within 24 to 48 hours, you get access. And then thereafter, you decide is this for you? And if the answer is yes, no pressure, you get it. But I guarantee you, projects like Project Graceland, they don't stay. Inside the platform, you obviously see the full package of the deal. The numbers, the reports that I'm talking about, so that you can make an informed decision. Is this for me? Is it not? You know? So if you're one of those people that are saying, TJ, I want deals like these ones, at the bottom of this video here in the description, you jump on to investinsaproperty.coza, and my good friends, you could be having deals coming through all the time. Register, put in your details. We always match you. So if you say you got $1 million, we'll match you. This deal here would have matched you because you already have $1 million, right? And my good friends, that's it. It's the model. That's the model that we do. We find the deals, we verify them, you decide, do you want to buy or do you not want to buy? Simple like that. So where do you get these deals? Investinsa.property.coza. Simple. Now, I want to be straight with you about one thing of too many things. Because here, we're not a viral people, hype people. Hey, you're gonna make money. Hey, you're going to do this. No. I'm a very grounded person in what I do. So, when there is a budget, now I'm talking to you guys who like to do flips, that kind of thing. Let's assume you take this deal and you want to make it a flip. In this particular project, we say that the budget is 50,000. Now, renovations, they do have a funny way of finding creative new costs that you didn't have. Plumbing, that was fine until it wasn't, right? A geyser, you bought the property, the geyser was there, and then the electricity comes on because there was no electricity on the property. Bingo, it's no longer working. So I always say to people, if you're doing projects like this ones, budget your reno number, whatever it is, then add it 10 to 15%, and then if the deal still works, then it's a sharp deal. Does it make sense? Right. I hope that I'm adding value. My name is TJ. I'm just trying to help you out here. So in this case here, my good friends, if you're thinking that this here is a good deal to you, all you need to do, if you're not registered on our platform, bingo. But if you're already registered on our platform, you would have seen this deal. Like this deal would have hit in there, you would have been able to log in and see it. And if that was yours, yeah, it was yours. But the other thing is that obviously for some of you, you might want to log in and then you're like, TJ, there was an active deal and then it's gone. What now? There's other deals also. The platform is built to provide you profitable deals, right? So, but every week I then come here, I kind of like cherry pick. I pick a deal and then I come on like, which one can we present on our YouTube channels? There's 5, let's do one. And then we'll come and then we'll do this one. But in the background, there's plenty of other deals that are in there. So if you've been watching for a while and you're like on the fence, my good friend, you're wasting your time, right? Don't waste time. Get the right deal. Get moving. Register on the website. Get the full package of the deal itself. There's a team that is already waiting to speak to you so that you can get through to your deals. And get some verified deals. That's all it's all about. Structured, ready for you to go if we understand the capacity that you've got in terms of some cash or some moolah. And my good friends, that's it for today. I'll see you next Wednesday. But before you go build something meaningful. And obviously, use real estate. That's what we're here for. My name is TJ. It's great hanging out with you. I will see you right here on the next video. Boom!